Guys, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. It's 4:30 a.m. and I am going for another ride. Today the plan is to reach Vemulwada. Vemulwada is in the district Sirisilla Rajanna district of Telangana. It has got one of the famous Shiva temple. So I would be reaching to Vemulwada. It's around 165 kilometers from here. From there the plan is to go to Kondagattu also, which is another 40 kilometers more. तो गाइस ये जो शिव जी का जो भगवान शिव जी का जो मंदिर है वो काफ़ी फेमस है और आप सब लोगों को नज़ारा वगैरह सब कुछ बहुत पसंद आएगा. बने रहिए वीडियो पे. थैंक यू वेरी मच. कैच यू ऑन द रोड. बाय बाय. Guys, I have done around 50 kilometers. I came through that Bolaram road, then Gachibowli Miapur road, then I got into NH44 for a small distance. Now I am on Hyderabad Mancherial highway. This highway connects directly to Karimnagar. Karimnagar is around 131 kilometers. I will be going on this highway for roughly around 68 kilometers. Then after that I will be taking a left towards Narsapur road. Then I will be entering into NH 365B, which will take me directly to Vemulwada. As per Google, Vemulwada is around 120 kilometers from here, and it says that roughly I would be reaching around 8 a.m. 8 a.m. is the right time, like I can have a wonderful darshan of the Lord, and it would be very cool. You can see, guys, the climate is very nice. Day before yesterday it had rained, but no rain today. Thank God there is no rain. This highway is a beautiful highway. The road is very good. Let me tell you, Vemulwada comes in Sirisilla Rajanna district. When Telangana was formed, it started with 10 districts, and today you have got around 33 districts. Out of these 33 districts, Rajanna Sirisilla is one of the districts. The temple name is Sri Rajarajeshwara Temple. The locals, the people of Telangana, and most of the people you find calling the god as Rajanna. Sri Rajarajeshwara Swami is called as Rajanna. I am having tea at this place. Tea time. You will find many such counters selling tea all through the highway. I am only worried if it rains, my trip may get delayed. Karimnagar is 73, Ramagundam is 136. Roughly around in next 62 kilometers I would be reaching Vemulwada. I will have to take the NH 365B from this highway roughly after 10-15 kilometers. 15 kilometers. On this road, the speciality of this road is like what I saw. Every 5 kilometers, 10 kilometers, you have got small food trucks standing on the roadside. They make good breakfast.
हर भोले नमः शिवाय। ओम नमः शिवाय, ओम नमः शिवाय, हर हर भोले नमः शिवाय। शिवाय ओम नमः शिवाय, हर हर भोले नमः शिवाय। रामेश्वराय शिव रामेश्वराय, हर हर भोले नमः शिवाय। रामेश्वराय शिव रामेश्वराय, हर हर भोले नमः शिवाय। रामेश्वराय शिव रामेश्वराय, हर हर भोले।
There is a unique ritual at this temple wherein you will have to buy a ticket for 200 rupees and you will be allowed to take the bull, the Nandi, which is the Vahanam of Lord Shiva, one complete round of the sanctum and sanctorium. This is called Kodimukku. This, this is considered to be very auspicious at this temple. I am going to buy the ticket right now and let's
नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय, ओम नमः शिवाय। नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय, ओम नमः शिवाय। नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय, ओम नमः शिवाय। नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय, ओम नमः शिवाय।
Friends, I had a very blissful darshan of the Lord inside the temple. This is the premises of Rajarajeshwara Swami Vemulwada temple. The Lord Shiva's name here is Shri Rajarajeshwara. On the right hand side you will find Lakshmi Sameta Vigneshwara Swami, and on the left hand side you will find Shri Rajarajeshwari, who is the consort of the Lord. Just as soon as you exit the main sanctum sanctorium, you will see Ananta Padmanabha Swami also. Having Ananta Padmanabha Swami as well as Lord Shiva in one single temple shows the absolute coordination and absolute relationship between the Shaivas as well as Vaishnavas. This temple was built during Chalukya's time and it is quite famous in the Telangana region. I am at the exit of the temple. Mobile phones are not allowed inside. Along with Rajarajeshwara, Rajarajeshwari, Lakshmi Sameta Vigneshwara, you will find Kala Bhairava, you will find Valli Devyani Sameta Subramanyeshwara Swami, you will see Anjaneya Swami, you have Lord Vishweshwara temple also inside. So, and one more thing. Within the temple you will see Hazrat Dargah also. History says that one of a Muslim person was a die-hard devotee of Rajarajeshwara, and after he expired, a Hazrat Dargah is also built inside the temple. This is an absolute example of tolerance and all religions coexisting at this place. This is the prasadam counter complex. You can get prasadam from this place. People take Abhishekam Laddu for ₹100 to their home. Overall, it's a very good temple. It has got good history behind it, and it is an age-old temple.
नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय, ओम नमः शिवाय। नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय, ओम नमः शिवाय।
there is a holy pond within the temple, and this is that holy pond. It has been now closed because of COVID and other reasons. This holy pond has got its own importance, wherein it is said that Nagendra, who was the great grandson of Arjuna, had come here to get relieved from the shapa of Brahmana Hatya, and he has taken dip in this pond, and he has been relieved from all kind of Papa dosha. Papa dosha parihara was done at this place. I am going through the compound of the temple, external ring you can say. This is called the Dharmagundam of the temple. There is a large banyan tree as well as a neem tree at the entrance of the temple. Jaggery is offered to the god. Children and elders, they offer jaggery to the god of their equivalent weight. If a person is weighing around 65-70 kilos, they weigh the jaggery to that weight and they offer it to the god. Coconuts are offered at this place.
शिव शंकर हर हर शंकर जय जय शंकर दिगिरारा प्रिय तांडव शंकर प्रकट शुभंकर प्रणय भयंकर दिगिरारा शिव शिव शंकर हर हर शंकर जय जय शंकर दिगिरारा प्रिय तांडव शंकर प्रकट शुभंकर प्रणय भयंकर दिगिरारा ओम परमेश्वर पर ओम निखिलेश्वर हर ओम जीवेश्वरेश्वर कनरारा ओम मंत्रेश्वर स्वर ओम.
This is Sri Bhimeshwara temple. It is said that Bhima, one among the Pandavas, has installed this main idol here. The Shivlinga is quite huge. The temple is very old and it is said that it is more than 1200 years old. It is very peaceful and it is said that Bhima Kavi was born with the blessings of the Lord and studied here and moved to Draksharamam. This is Sri Nagareshwara Swami temple, Lord Shiva in Nagareshwara form. This is Shri Baddi Pochamma temple. Bonalu festivals are done with great importance here. Animals and birds are offered as per the belief in the temple. Friends, after having darshan of Sri Rajarajeshwara Swami at Vemalwada, I have started now to Kondagattu. Kondagattu falls in Jagatyala district. Earlier, before formation of Jagatyala district, it was Karimnagar district. Karimnagar is around 31 kilometers from Kondagattu, whereas Vemalwada would be around some 40-42 kilometers. The temple is located on the hillock and surrounded by dense forest. Kondagattu temple is dedicated to Lord Anjaneya Swami, Veera Hanuman. People who are not blessed with children and people who are mentally retarded mainly worship the god and stay here for 40 days and get rid of their issues. Kondagattu temple is very nice, and I'll take you through the entire compound area, and I'll show you the Gopuram also. Cameras and mobiles are not allowed inside the temple, so you will be able to see the temple surroundings and the environment around the temple. Here the main attraction of the main idol is that the Lord has got dual faces kind of a thing, wherein you will find Narasimha Swami along with Shankha Chakra, and also Anjaneya Swami's face, which is facing towards north.
मनोजवं मारुततुल्यवेगं जितेन्द्रियं बुद्धिमतां वरिष्ठं वातात्मजं वानरयूथमुख्यं श्रीरामदूतं शिरसा नमामि। श्रीरामदूतं शिरसा नमामि। श्रीरामदूतं शिरसा नमामि। मकुटरत्नकान्तिमधिततमिश्रम् अरुणोदयरुचिराननकमलं जलितमकरकुण्डलगण्डभागं नवमणिमयरसनामध्यभागं श्रीरामदूतं शिरसा नमामि। श्रीरामदूतं शिरसा नमामि। शुभकरवरहारं समलङ्कृतदिव्यस्वर्णोपवीतं कटितटविलसितकाञ्चनचेलं मञ्जुमञ्जीरमहितपदाब्जं श्रीरामदूतं शिरसा नमामि। श्रीरामदूतं शिरसा नमामि। शतनिभदिव्यप्रकाशं सकल सद्गुणवृन्दसारपयोधिं दासमुखाम्बोज दशशतभानुं श्रितजनकुवलयसी.
Guys, people in this area drink toddy, and this is the man, who is getting ready to climb the tree and get the natural toddy. Drinking toddy is good for health when you drink it early in the morning. Once after sunrise, the fermentation starts, and that can be considered as alcohol. This is licensed in Telangana. On roadside you will see these shops where they sell toddy in earthen pot. Wearing gorretadu on your hand or on leg is considered auspicious. It is sold in front of the temple. Good morning friends. It's day 2. I'm heading back to Hyderabad. Wish you all a very good day. Signing off from Vemulwada. Om Namah Shivaya.